In this video, I will show you how to search for words in Google Docs. The easiest way to do it is to go to the top left and click on Edit. Then, look for the option Find and Replace. A search bar will pop up. There, you can type in the word you want to search for. In this case, I will search for monk. You can move the box over to the right if it is blocking your search word. If there are more than one similar word, you can click on the previous or next button to skip to that area. The other method is to use a key shortcut. Depending on whether you're using Windows or Mac, the shortcut will be slightly different. For Windows, you press Ctrl plus F together to pull up the search menu. For Mac, you press Command plus F. Similarly, on the search menu, you can type in the word you want to search for and it will highlight it for you. You can press the up or down buttons to skip to the specific area you want. Thanks for watching.